The workflow kicks off with a Gmail trigger. It checks Gmail every minute and picks up any new incoming emails. This is the entry point for the entire automation. Next, we process the raw Gmail message. This step extracts sender, subject, and both text and HTML bodies, detects attachments using multiple strategies, extracts all links using regex, cleans up content, and prepares a 3000 character analysis snippet. This gives us a clean and structured data set for the AI. This node checks whether the email actually contains attachments. It uses the extracted flags and decides whether to process attachments or skip to analysis. This helps the AI understand the context better later. If the email has attachments, this node processes them. It checks file types, extracts basic metadata, and prepares additional contextual text if extraction is possible. This helps the AI understand what kind of attachments the sender included. If there are no attachments, we simply prepare the body text and move ahead. This keeps things efficient. Now comes the brain of the workflow, the AI agent. The email body, subject, HTML, and links are passed to GPT 4.1 Mini. The system prompt instructs the AI to return a clean summary, the correct call to action, reply needed, review attachment, FYI, key insights, a links list, and an attachments list, and the structured output parser guarantees perfect JSON. This gives us consistent, reliable AI classification every time. This node parses the AI output safely. It handles different AI response formats, JSON parsing, and fallbacks in case of AI errors. At the end, we get a clean AI analysis object that can be used downstream. Now we check the AI's call to action. If the AI says reply needed, that means the email is urgent. Urgent messages get routed to the dedicated Slack urgent channel. Non-urgent ones get passed to the next router. If the email is not urgent, we check whether the AI marked it as review attachment. If yes, it goes to the attachment review Slack channel. If no, then it's just informational. For urgent messages, we format a nicely structured Slack alert: sender, subject, received time, summary, and required action all embedded cleanly. This helps the team react instantly. For emails with important attachments, we send a message to the attachments Slack channel along with extracted links and insights. All other emails go to the general information channel. These are low priority notifications but still useful for visibility. Before logging, this node extracts only essential fields: sender, subject, AI summary, action required, Slack channel, whether attachments were present, and timestamp. This keeps the dataset clean and analytics friendly. Finally, the workflow logs everything into a Google Sheet. This gives you a historical record of all email triage decisions, useful for reporting, audits, or automation debugging. And that's the entire automation. This workflow turns messy email inbox processing into a clean AI powered triage system. Urgent emails get flagged instantly, attachments go to the right reviewers, informational messages are logged, and everything is tracked in one central sheet. It's efficient, scalable, and eliminates manual noise in your communication workflow.